Assessment 1. Topic Sound. Marks 20. Time 1 hour. Section A. The frequency of sound produced by a vibrating body in air is 15,000 Hz. Will the sound be audible to human? Name the vibrations used in sonar. 2 marks. Second question. The flash of an exploding cracker is seen even before we hear the sound. Why? In which state of matter does sound travel the fastest? Allotment 2 marks. Third question. In a bell jar experiment, a person standing close to it can distinctly hear the bell. Now, the air inside it is removed slowly. Will the person be able to hear the bell after the air in the container is completely removed? Why? How does the speed of sound get affected when there is an increase of moisture in the air? Allotment of marks 2. Fourth question. The figure shows the snapshot of a sound wave in a certain medium at a certain instant. So you can see the graph. Okay. What is the amplitude of the wave? If the velocity of the wave is 4 meter per second, calculate the wavelength of the wave if its frequency is 20 Hz. If a wave of same type but with higher frequency is passed in the given medium, will the speed of the wave increase, decrease or remain the same? Allotment 2 marks. Fifth question. A sound wave of frequency 500 Hz and wavelength 0.66 meter is traveling in a medium. Calculate the velocity of wave in the medium. Allotment of marks 2. Section B. Question number 6. Okay. Allotment of marks 3. Sound waves A and B are traveling in two different media. Find which wave will be traveling faster when A is traveling in H2O and B is traveling in CO2. A is traveling in CO2 and B is traveling in hydrogen. B. State two factors on which the speed of sound depends. Mark allotment 3 marks. First part is 2 marks and second part 1 mark. Once again, next question, 7th question. Differentiate between the terms supersonic and ultrasonic. B. State two industrial uses of ultrasound. C. What is ultrasonography? Okay. 3 marks. Each question carry 1 mark. Next, last question. The speed of sound in air is 320 meter per second and in water it is 1600 meter per second. It takes 2.5 seconds for sound to reach a certain distance from the source placed in air. Find the distance. Second part, how much time will it take for sound to travel the same distance when the source is water? Source is in water. This is 4 marks. Each part consists of 2 marks. Okay. So the assessment has to be done by the students, and then if done by the students on their own. Time taken, time limit is very important. Just 1 hour you have to take and complete this assessment. Okay. All the best, children. Thank you.